Good day, friends and families. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. So, my friends, as you all know, summer has begun, and I'm back today with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys. It's my homemade watermelon, mint, lime and ginger drink that I've got to share with you guys today. And as always, my friends, I know if you guys watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So first I'm going to show you some of the ingredients I will be using to create a juice, which I'm going to use to add to our watermelon. The ingredients I'm going to use are some sugar for taste, and I'm using brown sugar. I'm also going to use one lime. And also I'll be adding about 3 branches of fresh mint. And finally I've got about 100 ml of ginger juice. And to achieve this, I've using this size of ginger, which I've peeled, followed by blending it using a bit of water, then served it. And after serving it, this is how it looks like. And now I will be adding 2 tablespoons of honey to our watermelon. And next I've got full size watermelon, which I've pre-washed it and cleaned, and I'm going to proceed by cutting it into 2. Then I will use a knife. If you are doing the same as me, make sure the knife you are using is not sharp, otherwise you may end up cutting your fingers. So I'm going to go in and cut it into cube sizes. Okay guys, now that the cutting is done, it's time to transfer it to the blender. And once I've finished transferring it to the blender, I'm going to follow up by adding 2 tablespoons of honey for this recipe. You could use more if you want, depending on how sweet you want your watermelon to taste. Then I will cover it and blend it to smooth. Okay guys, now that the watermelons has been blended, I'm going to quickly cut the lime, followed by adding it to the jar, and I'll add some of the mint and the brown sugar, then follow up by crushing it until all the juice is combined. Then I'll add a bit of sparkling spring water. You could use normal water if you wish, and I would give it a mix. And once it's well mixed, I'm going to proceed by transferring it into our watermelon. Now this part depends on how much mint and lime you want in your watermelon. You can add more or less. Give it a good mix, then follow by adding our final ingredient, which is our ginger juice, and I will mix it again. Once it's well mixed, I'm going to transfer it into a jar. And once I transfer it into the jar, it would be a good idea to keep it in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours to let it chill. And there we go guys, our watermelon, mint, lime and ginger juice is done. So it's time to now proceed to serve it. Yay! Especially on these hot summer days. There we go. The video is done and I hope you've enjoyed the video. You guys have always been here for me from day one and I truly appreciate you guys. And as you guys know, we are on the run up to our 10,000 subscribers. So keep sharing my videos with your friends and families. And also, if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share my videos with your friends and families. Alright guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.